Hey Nestor, this is Jack from Jinkulator. I'm in our workshop and I just saw a 4030 machine is being tested, so I make a video to show it to you. And now let me show. And here from the beginning, this is a control work table. And on this you can see the working program and next you see the working table is testing, so the letterhead is moving. You can see the speed, the X and the Y speed. And this is letterhead, and the white is the air pump, and it's connected with the air pump. And the air could protect the work table from getting fire. When you engraving the materials like wood, clothes. You see the blade work table, and it can support heavy materials like wood and stone. You see, seriously, clearly, and this is a gallery, and this is the bells. And see there, it's a motor. The motor is moving. And this, you see there, a light. You can open it when you use the machine at night. And this is a glass. It can, the glass. This is the anti-flare glasses. And the down. This is for collecting the waste. Now let's see the other parts. Here. It's moving. And here, this is where the system is. And I open it, you can see. System. And this is the air cooling, protect the system. The most important part. And see the behind. This is a ladder tube. And this is 60 watts. And here is an air pump. And I just tell you is for protecting the surface work table to getting fire. And this is a water cooler, water pump to cool the leather tube. And now you can see the home machine, and our factory, and the workshop. Here is a 1960. And here is also a 4032. The difference lies in here, the work table. See the honeycomb work table. honeycomb worktable. Okay, now if you have any problems, you can tell me on the Skype. Okay, thank you.